Learn to write. Printing.
Let's learn to print the capital and lowercase letters U and V. If you don't have handwriting paper at home, draw the top, middle, and lower lines like this. The letter U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. BR says burr, burr. La, la. Burr, ella. Umbrella, umbrella. Good job. The letter U is like a curvy cup. Start at the top line, curve down at the bottom line, and simply go back up to the top line. From top, straight down, curve at the bottom, and straight back up to the top. Uppercase U. For lowercase u, you'll start at the middle line, draw the line down to the bottom, and curve back up to the middle line, and then give him a tail. Good job. So up and down. Uppercase U, top line, bottom line, top line, lowercase u, middle line, bottom line, middle line, with a little tail. Good job! At any time you might need to stop the video and practice, please do so and then come back. Uppercase V, lowercase v. In. In is a sight word. Violin. Violin. Great job! Let's draw an ice cream cone for V. Start at the top line and we're going to angle down to the bottom line and then angle back up to the top line. Looks like an ice cream cone. Top, bottom, top. Nice sharp V shape at the bottom. Same for lowercase, but we'll start at the middle line. Middle line, bottom line, middle line. Middle line, bottom line, middle line. Good job. Nice ice cream cones. Here's uppercase V again. Angle down, angle up. Middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, lowercase v. Did you know the letter U was not an original member of the alphabet family? It wasn't until 1629 when uppercase and lowercase u finally made its way into the alphabet family.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun.